Amin, mabuhay! Welcome back to FiliSwissed. Yes, we are at another baking video. It is now going to be the crinkles flavored with lemon. So it's a lemon crinkle recipe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is mix butter, sugar, and egg into our bowls. 1 cup of sugar. We need 1 whole egg, and we need 1 egg yolk. One cube of vanilla essence. I don't want the vanilla to overpower anyway the flavor of lemon. I need some lemon juice over here. Just gonna grab 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The mixture is starting to smoothen out. Now we're gonna add some lemon zest, trying not to get too deep into the skin of the lemon, so it's not going to be so bittery. Smells like lemon.
You don't say!
I'll set this aside for now, and I will start preparing my dry ingredients. What I'll need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift that in here. So now I'll need a 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Not too much salt. Really just a very small amount. Mix all of these together. Now I'm going to add the wet mixture. I'm just gonna mix. I think now we can already wrap this mixture and we'll leave it in the fridge to chill for about 3 to 4 hours.
The next day.
So welcome back. Now it is day 2. I've left it overnight now rather than just 4 hours. I am now going to work as quickly as possible with this dough. I formed the ball. Now I'm going to cover it up with as much of the powdered sugar and then take the excess off as well. We're gonna leave them for about 10 minutes and then we'll see each other again. Alright, so I've taken it out of the oven. They should be left to cool on a baking tray. So we're just gonna leave this for now. It's time to try our lemon crinkles. They look really pretty. I was not expecting this. It's really nice. I just let it cool down just enough to still feel that warmth that it's freshly baked. Wow. If you are a big fan of lemon, you would add more, maybe a lemon essence or extract. A definite must try if you like lemon flavored goodies. So I hope you guys try this at home. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Also hit the notification bell to be notified for future videos. And as always, I'll see you next time, and shene and paalam.